Tom Snee reporting for ECOC TV. I'm here at the Keysight booth with Joachim Peerlings. So Joachim, on ECOC TV we've talked a little bit over the past few years about the trends. What do you see emerging this year?
Yeah, so there's a continued investment from web-scale companies and also from China to drive the network build-out. In the data center with various flavors of 100 gig NRZ designs in the long-haul transport network with 100 gig coherent, and we also see 200 gig coherent starting in the long-haul transport networks. The NEMs are doing fine, especially with the data center interconnect, and component makers are benefiting from the shift to coherent pluggables.
And what about 400G? Obviously that's something that's really coming out at the moment.
There's a huge momentum on 400 gig. Customers today are testing their 28 gigabaud designs and also work more on 56 gigabaud design than we have expected 2 years ago. There's a tight race between vendors and putting a lot of time to market and cost pressure on those vendors. One trend that we also see more activities is on the fiber optic fronthaul network to enable 5G, and also here at the show you have more papers on fiber optic fronthaul networks.
So what are you displaying here at ECOC 2016?
We have one focus area on PAM4. We have the biggest solution set on PAM4 testing, ranging from our new system-level physical layer test simulation on system view all the way to receiver and transmitter compliance test. On the simulation side, we can today take our system view physical layer simulation and put that into Flex DCA so customers can see the errors and margin of the simulation data relative to industry's compliance specifications. Our highlight this year is the industry's first native PAM4 receiver test solution that we added to our modular portfolio, addressing 400 gig in data centers. This is an extension of our M8000 series receiver test solution. It consists of a highly integrated pattern generator with integrated de-emphasis and also the compliant jitter sources. And also we can do true PAM4 error detection with an error detector that runs up to 64 gigabaud, so 128 gigabits per second. And this is usable for NRZ design as well as for PAM4 and is software switchable and really addresses time to market pressure that our customers have, and they can now do the most reliable receiver characterization at the desired test point by de-embedding the channel with our integrated de-emphasis.
It's very impressive. And what did you have for 100 gig data centers?
For 100 gig data centers, we introduce our compliance test software for 100 gig base LR4 and ER4. This is an extension to our optical receiver stress test solution, and it actually saves our customers months in system test development, and the test itself is reduced from a couple of hours to minutes. And then we also show our new sampling scope, the DCAM. It is supporting R&D engineers, but predominantly high volume manufacturing for 100 gig and 400 gig transceivers, and really addressing the cost of test pressure that our customers see. And then finally we have a 28 gigabit per second optical receiver front end for our real-time scope that customers have been asking for, and with that customers can either see the raw performance of their transceivers, or they can use it as a reference receiver to do industry standard measurements.
Joachim, thanks very much for your time on ECOC TV.
Thank you very much. Always good to be here.